Today I am going to be featuring the Sample Beauty Immensity palette. This is an anniversary palette and I got mine from Beauty Bay. I actually had points saved up, so I paid for mine using points, which was a bonus. There is another one of these that I do want, and I'm currently selling some stuff on eBay, so hopefully I will be able to invest in the other one as well. I've not tried Sample Beauty before. It is a UK brand. The products are not tested on animals, but they are actually manufactured in China. So just a little bit of background information there for you. They do have a number of palettes on Beauty Bay that I've always wanted to try, but this one retails for £20 and it's a great way to actually try some of the shadows without shelling out on a huge palette. I'm really excited. You can see it's quite simply made. The big white sticker on the back here, just giving you a little bit of information. It does say on the back there, a fluorescent rainbow of vivid brights designed to empower, encourage and fuel creativity. Really super excited about this palette. You know I love my bright colours. These are all matte shades in here, which is also very exciting. So how about less gabbling on, let's get straight to the swatches, and if you hang around at the end of the video there will be a look using this palette. So I'm applying the Talika primer. This is a glossy box item. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to my arm. I don't want to do these without primer because I wouldn't use the shadows without primer. I have previously swatched without primer in a recent video, but I think that I actually prefer using a primer because I think that's just more indicative of how the shadows are going to behave, because that's what I would do. I always prime my eyes when I put an eyeshadow on. So these are the shades. Now let's have a look at the names. So across the top we have Core, Apex, Ambition, Magnitude and Boundless. I really love these two shades, to infinity and beyond. How amazing is that? Diligence, Momentous, Colossal. Okay, enough waffling. Oh, they feel really soft. Oh, that is beautiful. I've been looking for this bright canary yellow. A lot of palettes, when they do yellow, they're a little bit more deeper and more daffodil shade. This is a true nice bright yellow, so that's really lovely. They feel so lovely. Okay, that's a true orange. That's really nice to see, because again, sometimes oranges aren't that true, like I just want to bite into that shade kind of colour. So that's really beautiful. The next shade is our orange red. Oh yes, definitely an orange red. That's beautiful. Really like that. I don't think it's coming up quite the same on camera, but it is an absolutely stunning shade. I'm excited to see what the true red is like. Ooh, yeah. I think that you can definitely see the difference between those two shades there. This more bright orangey red and then this true scarlet red. Really like that. And then the last shade on here is this fuchsia, which I'm quite excited to see. Oh, that's pretty. That's a really beautiful fuchsia shade, so I really like that. So those are the more warmer shades, which are across the top. Absolutely stunning. They swatch beautifully. They don't seem to have kicked up a lot of powder in the pan, which is really good, and they are really intense. So very impressed with those. So the green shade. Excuse me. That is just so stunning. That's a proper bright appley green. And then this one I'd say is probably more of a grass green. This one, I don't know if you saw that there as I was coming across. There was some fallout there. This one's a little more powdery, but I don't think I've seen a pigment quite so deep and intense as this. It's a beautiful true emerald grass green. That is absolutely stunning. I love that because I do love a good green shade. Right, let's go on to blue. This one is more of a sky blue. Wow, I need to invest in more of these palettes in the future. They are insane. That is beautiful. I'm just so excited to swatch these colours. This one had a little bit of fallout there. I don't know if you saw it as I took my finger across. That's a beautiful bright cobalt kind of blue, which is absolutely stunning. And then the last shade on this row is the purple shade, which I'm excited. Not always easy to do a purple. Okay, so the back of this is definitely not lying. These are fluorescent bright shades. They are absolutely stunning. I'm going to give you a little pan along there. beautiful. Oh my goodness, I am just literally so excited to try these now. They are super duper stunning. Wonderful, I love them. I even like that we've got that more orange red. It makes it that bit brighter. I don't know, that's like that's like a coral neon. It's really beautiful. I am blown away with those. So let's get on and use some of these shades on the eyes. Hi everybody, before we get started, this is the look that I created. I definitely think I need a bit more blending here and there, but overall I am really pleased with how it's turned out and I absolutely love it. So if you want to see how I did it, then please keep on watching.